Okay, so for skill 16, our main goal is to choose integers and have equations that have at least 3 points of intersection, and mine had 4, and figure out these points of intersections algebraically. So first thing we had to do was pick 4 numbers, A, B, C, and D. So my A was 4, B was 20, C was 6, and D was 7. So when we plug in those values, we get x minus 4 squared over 400 plus y plus 6 squared over 49 equals 1. And x plus 7 squared over 16 equals, or minus y plus 6 squared over 49 equals 1. So right from here, we should see that these two are the same thing. So when we add these, but this one's a negative. So when we add these together, and we eliminate a variable using elimination, we'll just have x minus 4 squared over 400 plus x plus 7 squared over 16. And all that will equal 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. These two will just cancel out, so we only have one variable left. After foiling this, we get x squared minus 8x plus 16 over 400 plus x squared plus 14x plus 49 over 16 equals 2. So what we have to do from there is to find a common denominator. So these two could be added together. 16 times 25 is 400. So we just multiply this whole second equation by 25 over 25, which is just basically 1. When we do that, we're left with, in the second equation, we're left with 25x squared plus 350x plus 1125 over 400 equals 2. When we add those together, we're left with 26x squared plus 342x plus 1241 over 400 equals 800 over 400. And then when we get this 800 over 400 is just 2, but written with a denominator of 400. So we can subtract from this 1241. When we do that, we get 441. And when we multiply both sides by 400, this one gets eliminated and 0 stays at 0. When this is graphed into Desmos, we get the x-intercepts of x equals negative 11.705 and negative 1.449. So first thing we do is take the 11.705 and plug it back into our first equation. When we do that and solve for y algebraically, using all these steps, we get y equals negative 10.33 and 1.67. And we would repeat that with the 1.449. With those values, we get negative 12.735 and 0.735. So our final intersection points would be negative 11.705, comma, negative 10.33, negative 11.705, comma, negative 1.67, negative 1.449, comma, negative 12.735, and finally, negative 1.449, comma, 0.735.